This video I will show you how to add keywords for your page in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside Website Builder in Hostinger, and to add an SEO keyword to your page, just go to Website Settings, then click on SEO Settings. Select between your website pages or store product pages. Let's select a page, for example, this store page, and click on Generate New SEO Info. Now describe your page saying your targeted keyword, for example. This blog post is about my best shoes for hiking, and my target keyword is best hiking shoes 2024. Click on next step. Select 3 keywords for your page. This keyword should be targeted keyword hiking best shoes. Then click on next. And this is an SEO title and a meta description I can use. Let's read the meta description. Discover the top hiking shoes for 2024 in this blog post, featuring the best shoes for hiking and tips for finding the perfect pair. Click on finish. Your keyword is in the SEO title and the meta description, and it should be in your page URL. Now just fill it using your keyboard. Best hiking shoes 2024. Best shoes for hiking. Best. This SEO title should contain best hiking shoes. Focus keyword best shoes. As you can see, the length of the meta description is only 132. It should be at least 156 characters. Make sure that your keyword is added to the page URL, then the title and the meta description. And this is how to add your keywords in Hostinger Website Builder. You still also include it in the, for example, the text of the articles, for example. And this is how to add your SEO keyword in Hostinger Website Builder.